Installation and operation of the bottom-mounted target magnetron coating instrument. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the clamp. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the air pipes in sequence. Tighten the screws. Note: tighten with a wrench. Connect the air compressor power supply. Water cooler power supply. Vacuum pump power supply. After the power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the water cooler power. Vacuum pump power supply. Power on the device. Vacuum gauge power supply. DC power supply. RF power. Molecular pump power supply. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Click to open the sample stage shutter. Installing the sample. Make sure to clamp the sample tightly. Next, install the target. Open the corresponding baffle. Unscrew the target cover. Remove the cover. Unscrew the surrounding screws. Remove the target. Replace the target material as needed. Put the target into the clamp. Align the screw holes. Tighten the surrounding screws. Tighten evenly. Then install the target cover. Note that there should be a gap of about a mm between the outer cover and the target. Adjust the angle. Tighten the screws to fix the target. Close the flap. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. Click to set the target material of the film thickness meter. Click Settings. Click Select. For example, copper. Click Apply. Click to return. Return. The vacuum value is now below 20%. Click to open the molecular pump. When the vacuum condition is reached, turn on cleaning mode. Click OK. Open the flow meter. Set the flow rate. For example, 150. Generally, cleaning takes about 5分钟 use. After cleaning, turn off the flow meter. Input 0. Click to return. Click to vacuum. When the vacuum condition is reached, click on the flow meter to pass the gas. Enter the appropriate size. Keep the vacuum at about 1 pa. Then set the RF power e-power. For example, 80. Set the RF power or power. For example, 100. Set the DC power supply e-power. For example, 50. Set the DC power supply or power. For example, 60. Click to set the sample stage lifting height. For example, 20. Rising. Click to set the sample stage rotation. Maximum speed is 10. For example, setting 10. Click forward. Click to return. Rotating. Click to set the sample stage heating. Setting the target temperature. Setting the heating rate. Click Start. Click to return. Start coating now. Open the corresponding baffle. Turn on the corresponding power supply. Coating. When the film thickness reaches the required value, the coating is completed. Turn off the corresponding power supply. Close the corresponding baffle. Click to close the flow meter. Input 0. Turn off the molecular pump. Turn off stage rotation. Turn off the stage heating. Click to pick up samples. When the vacuum reaches atmospheric pressure, open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.